For centuries, healthcare providers and folk healers have been using castor oil because of the many benefits it provides. The oil is considered a vegetable oil and is pale yellow in color. It's produced by crushing the seeds of the castor oil plant. Many of the castor oil benefits are the result of its chemical composition. If you're keen to learn of the most common uses and benefits of castor oil, you're watching the right video. We'll be covering the 22 biggest uses and benefits of castor oil for health. 1. Natural arthritis remedy. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent massage oil for arthritic joints, sore muscles, and inflammation of your nerves. The acid found in castor oil can boost anti-inflammatory properties within the body and is considered a safe remedy for arthritis pain. 2. Getting rid of stretch marks. Stretch marks can be caused by a number of things, including pregnancy, rapid weight gain, aging, hormonal imbalance, sudden weight loss, and swelling. Castor oil is known as one of the best treatments for a variety of skin conditions. Its rich contents and various fatty acids make it an excellent moisturizer and effective treatment for getting rid of stretch marks. 3. Treating acne. Acne is one of the most common skin conditions caused by the buildup of impurities in your pores, which results in irritation and inflammation. Many of the acne remedies on the market today tend to dry out the skin. Castor oil is a natural resource that can draw out dirt, dead skin cells, excess oils, and bacteria without drying out your skin. 4. Deep facial cleanser. Along with treating acne, you can use castor oil as a deep facial cleanser. Unlike the harsh chemicals in over-the-counter and prescription facial cleansers that dry out your skin, using castor oil as a deep cleanser will get rid of pimples fast, deep clean your skin of dirt, bacteria, dead skin cells, and excess oils while keeping your skin soft, supple, and flawless. 5. Eliminating fine lines and wrinkles. Castor oil is great for reducing fine lines and wrinkles because it penetrates deep into your skin, which stimulates the production of elastin and collagen. Castor oil's emollient properties allow it to be quickly absorbed, keeping your face hydrated and plump, which is also important in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 6. For hair growth. Castor oil has become a popular treatment for growing healthier, thicker hair. When regularly used on your roots, it can increase hair growth, reduce damage from products and styling, hydrate hair, make your strands shinier and fuller, prevent dry scalp, and improve the overall health of your hair. When you apply castor oil to the ends of your hair, it can help reduce frizz and repair split ends. 7. Relieving constipation. The various components in castor oil act as a powerful laxative, stimulating both the small and large intestine and purging the colon walls, allowing the stool to move through the colon. The fatty acids in castor oil also work to prevent liquid from being absorbed by the intestinal tract, helping the digestive tract to retain its moisture. 8. Improving immune function. Using castor oil regularly is believed to improve various immune system functions, including lymphatic drainage and blood flow. Types of white blood cells found in the immune system attack perceived threats to the body like bacteria, viruses, and toxins. The use of castor oil helps encourage white blood cell production. Apply castor oil packs to your abdominal area to increase your body's absorption of the oil. 9. Treating ringworm. A relatively common skin condition, ringworm is caused by a fungus and grows into a ring-shaped red rash. Studies show that nearly 20% of us have suffered from ringworm at least once in our lives. While it can be painful to deal with, castor oil is an excellent treatment for ringworm. The acid found in the castor oil acts as an antifungal agent that kills the infection. 10. Minimize appearance of scars. Castor oil is a popular option for reducing and preventing the appearance of scars. The many fatty acids found in the oil help stimulate the body's natural system, which is said to be essential for preventing scars. While castor oil can't eliminate scars that you already have, it can reduce their appearance. 11. Heal dry, cracked heels. Castor oil's ability to hydrate the skin makes it a perfect remedy for treating cracked heels. It's rich in vitamins and essential nutrients help to hydrate dry, cracked skin. Simply rub castor oil on your feet, put on a pair of socks, and leave on overnight. You'll notice a dramatic difference by the following morning. 12. Relieve sunburn. With the same cooling sensation as aloe, castor oil is great for alleviating painful sunburns. The acid should protect any blisters from becoming infected and reduce the inflammation associated with sunburns. 13. For thicker eyebrows. Castor oil has been proven to be an effective way to grow and strengthen your hair. But did you know that it can also work to thicken your eyebrows? The antioxidants, proteins, vitamins, fatty acids, and nutrients it contains all work to nurture the hair follicles and fight against bacteria that may be a factor that hinders growth. Though thin eyebrows is hardly a common problem, we're sure there are some people out there who'll benefit from castor oil in this way. 14. Lengthen eyelashes. The vitamin E, proteins, minerals, and antibacterial properties of castor oil can help strengthen and lengthen your eyelashes when applied on a regular basis. It penetrates deep into the skin when applied to the area, moisturizing and refreshing the area to help the eyelashes grow quicker and prevent them from breaking. 15. Removes moles and skin tags. When mixed with a little baking soda, castor oil can be an excellent way to get rid of unsightly moles and skin tags. Simply apply the paste to the affected area and cover it with a bandage. Doing this daily for 4 to 6 weeks will cause the mole or skin tag to gradually die and drop off. 16. Soften cuticles and eliminates brittle nails. Castor oil has a high concentration of vitamin E, which works wonders for brittle, dry nails. Massaging it into your nails and cuticles every evening will result in soft cuticles and healthy-looking nails. 17. Support the lymphatic system. Your lymphatic system is responsible for expelling metabolic waste from your body. When you have drainage problems or flow disruptions, castor oil can help to get things moving again. Applying castor oil packs to your lymph nodes allows your body to absorb the oil quickly. 18. Reduces skin inflammation. Castor oil has strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help to heal bug bites, rashes, and itches. To relieve skin inflammation within a small area, simply soak a bandage with castor oil and apply it to the affected area. For larger areas, soak a cotton ball in castor oil and rub it onto the affected area. Rinse it off after an hour, repeating several times throughout the day. 19. Fights toenail fungus. The acid found in castor oil is an active ingredient that is great for relieving fungus in the body. To treat toenail fungus, soak your feet in warm water and Epsom salt for 5 minutes. Follow the soak by liberally applying castor oil to the affected toenail. 20. Hydrates chapped lips. The fatty acids found in castor oil help to hydrate and moisten dry, chapped lips. Apply castor oil to your lips several times a day to hydrate and moisturize. You can also create a soothing topical treatment by combining a small amount of castor oil, glycerine, and lemon juice. Apply before bed to hydrate chapped lips. 21. Relieve symptoms of migraines. A natural pain reliever, castor oil is great for relieving headaches and migraines. To help relieve symptoms of migraines and headaches, rub a teaspoon of the oil onto your forehead for about a minute. You should start feeling the effects within 2 to 3 minutes. 22. Reduces menstrual cramps. Massaging warm castor oil over your abdomen can be an excellent way to relieve the symptoms of menstrual cramps and period pain. The acid in castor oil works as an anti-inflammatory and is an analgesic agent which helps relieve pain. Castor oil packs are perfect for relieving menstrual cramps. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on how to use castor oil to thicken and regrow hair, eyelashes, and eyebrows.